I'm going to show you how you can buy Trump on Phantom. Now it's quite easy. All you have to do here, first off, you have to go to the extension of your Phantom wallet here. Now on your Phantom wallet here, pick an account you want to buy it on. So my account here, it'll be this one here, right? Now once here, all you have to do is just you have to tap on the buy button here. Now on the buy button here, you'll see a couple of crypto here. Now you can scroll all the way down to the one with Trump here. So you can see Trump, you can buy it right here. You can buy, you can click on the amount you want. So for example, I want $100 worth of Trump. So it'll be about 10 Trump's token there. Now you can see, you can also pay it with credit card like MoonPay or any other one here. So MoonPay, Unlimited, Topper, Blockchain, and the Bangsa here. You can also pick on credit or debit card here. There's also other couple of payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Play, OVO, things like that, right? You can buy from there. But if you can't find Trump on scrolling down here, you can also just search it up on the search bar here. So Trump like this, official Trump. Now you can enter in the amount here. So if I want $1,000 worth of Trump, I can tap on that, and then I can tap on buy, and then you can just pay on credit card on MoonPay, and then you'll open up the page here for you to pay, and then you can be able to buy Trump after you put in your credit card and debit card details.